단무지가 있었어?
So it's sort of thing that kids will get in their packed lunch called Gimbap. This does look a little bit like sushi, but it's not sushi. And it's the Korean version, you can just have it straight as it is.
Didn't know what to say, I was taking the train one way. Never thought I'd see you again. Never thought I'd see you again. Coming up short, I didn't have a choice but to let it go. You never let me explain myself. Explain myself. And now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I wish that I knew what to say now. You're getting too close, too close. Well, I know we are about to clash, but don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith.
I've got a million emails that I haven't read. Got a brake pad squeaking that I gotta check, but I don't mind it, cause I got her riding on that shotgun side. With that take me till the sunrise, look inside her eyes. Now we're flying, yeah, we're flying.